Hey guys, I'm Snag26 here again, and this is like my fourth or I don't know. I haven't uploaded these videos, so when you see them, it's uploaded, but when I'm recording them, they're not. But anyway, I'm going to be reviewing today the Willow Gardens pretzel sticks by Ware. So yeah, let's get started. So here's what they look like, and wait, camera can see the blue. And here's what they look like against my hand, like that. They come in all shapes, sizes, lengths, widths. You know, some of them are like skinny like this. Some of them are skinny like this, that skinny, and some of them are like thick like this. Snooky would probably love this one. But yeah, so okay, so this one is not the best, and this is why. My hamsters, I don't know if it's just them or because everybody's hamster is different, okay? So my reviews are my reviews, and I don't know, or, you know, I don't know whose other hamsters might like these, so you might want to go check out more reviews on these, but my review is that I don't really like this product, even though they're chews, and I keep all kinds of chews in the cages, because my hamsters don't even seem to like them. And I'm actually going to go get Rodeos and Snookies right now so I can show you the damage to theirs against one of these that are new. So let me go get it and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with the results. So this one's Snookies, this one's Rodeos, and this is the new one. Or I can actually switch that one and make it like that. So this is Snookies. It looks a little worn out. I don't know, maybe she like chewed on it, took some, but she doesn't really like it. She barely touched it right here, and that was when I first gave it to her. Sorry, my camera, it's not good with focusing, but yeah. So she hasn't really done much damage to hers, nor would I expect her to, just because, you know, Snooki's so off and on with chews. Some of them she likes, some of them she doesn't. And you can go check out my video called Reviews, and I'll put that on the screen. But anyway, I reviewed a lot of stuff that was in that video. Just like a lot of random things that I pulled out of the cages just to show. So yeah, so this was Snooki's, not much damage, so hers is probably pretty much brand new still, because she hasn't really done anything to it. I'm looking at it now, there's nothing really that leads me to believe that she really done anything to it. This is Rodeos. Rodeo's older, so I don't really expect him to chew on it that much, but he did more damage than Snooki, because the end right there is messed up, if you can see that. Sorry. Let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Nope, that was zooming. But anyway, so yeah, he did more damage than Snooki. So yeah. And the new one looks damaged already, but that's just because it was like that. If you can see the strands that's stuck like that. So yeah. But yeah, guys, so Rodeo and Snooki don't really do any much damage to these, and I don't really expect them to. I don't know if it's just the chew, like they don't like them, or they don't like Willow. I don't know if it's just my hamsters, but this isn't really a good product for me, so I won't be buying it again. But that doesn't mean your hamster won't like it, so I'm not discouraging you guys to go try it. But you can always go try it, but my hamsters just are not a big fan of these. But I always keep them around the cage just in case they might get interested one day and might want to like nibble more than they thought it would be, like, you know, good. But yeah, guys, so that was about it. I hope you enjoyed this review. Sorry it's kind of like long just for these little tiny sticks, but yeah. So I'll talk to you later, and yeah, bye.